The order in which it appears there, just call it off to me and I'll point.
Alright, the villi.
Okay. Any one of these things would be, what I usually do is I put a piece of tape here with an arrow up and an arrow down and I say identify.
So
that's a villus.
these things in the middle.
Yeah, well, this too. It's just that here I have the inside details. The villus itself, I would use this.
Okay. The capillary net. Okay. Arterial.
Venous anastomosis.
Yeah,
And that's wherever an artery and a vein meet without capillary thing in between. So right there is a good example of it.
Muscularis mucosa.
That's this muscle right here. And you notice it sends fibers up into the villi. So that the villi are able to pump up and down and sway back and forth.
Okay, what's that called?
What's that called? Those are part of the muscularis mucosa. I can point to it here or here.
Okay. Lacteal.
The lacteal is this greenish thing. It's got lymph running through it. It's a lymphatic vessel, but it's a dead end, so they call it a lacteal. Fats get absorbed into the lacteal, whereas carbohydrates and amino acids get absorbed into the capillary net. Okay, all of these without the blue are columnar epithelium. The blue ones are goblet cells or mucus cells.
So what is considered the columnar epithelium?
All the cells that don't have blue in them.
Okay, the Penneth cells.
They're shown in red. There's some here, and there's some on the side here. All these are Penneth cells. Penneth cells are undergoing rapid mitosis, and as they divide, the cells climb the hill. By the time they get to the top of the hill, they disintegrate and fall off. They release their enzymes to contribute to the digestion and so on.
The goblet cells are the blue dots.
That's the blue dot ones.
The lamina propria.
Gray. Anything gray is lamina propria. Wherever it is. Wherever you see gray, call it lamina propria if I put a pointer on that.
Meissner's plexus.
The what?
Meissner's plexus.
Oh, Meissner.
Meissner's yellow.
Yes, the thin yellow is Meissner, and the thick yellow is Auerbach. So they're part of the nervous system, the autonomic nervous system.
Muscularis mucosa.
No, we did that, right?
The
What? Auerbach is this heavy, thick yellow. The thin yellow stuff down here is Meissner. You see, notice how Meissner goes in here? So that's how it signals these things to do their thing.
Lymph nodes, that blue thing. Wandering lymphocyte.
That's these lymphocytes here. There's also some out here. There's some more here. See? So they're all over the place.
Brunner's gland.
Brunner's gland is this thing. You can also see it from this surface. Brunner's gland. And Brunner's gland secretes into, what do you call this thing next on the line?
Crypt of Lieberkühn.
Crypts of Lieberkühn. That's this thing. Crypt of Lieberkühn.
That orange.
Yeah. That's how the juice produced by Brunner's gland gets into the small intestine by moving through the crypt of Lieberkühn.
The muscularis circular.
The circular muscles are here. You have to kind of picture them rotating around this way, right? So they're the circular ones. And then the longitudinal ones are here. They go lengthwise. And then you have the serosa, which are these, this layer here, serosa. Connective tissue layer that supports the outer part of the small intestine. Anything else on that list?
Nope. You got it.